Let's suppose we've got the graph of y equals cos x. Let's draw this graph. Let us change the x scale to be pi. Let's change the minimum y to be -5 and the maximum y to be 5. Let's leave the y scale as 1. Let us draw this graph. Here is the graph of y equals cos x. What we can do is apply transformations to this graph. So let's press back. With this function y1, we can apply transformations to it to get a new function y2. But first, we have to let y2 equal something involving y1. So if I press the variable key and the second option for function, we can load up the function y1, which is equal to cos x. And now we can apply transformations to the function y1, which is equal to cos x. So let's go back. What we could also do is say have a over here. So we've got a multiplied by the function y1. So now if we draw this graph and then modify, currently a is at -2, but we can change that. A can be -1, a can be 0, in which case we'd have a horizontal line at y equals 0, and you can see the effect of increasing a. So let's go back. Let us create a third function where this time we are transforming in the x direction. Now again, let's load up the graph y1. So we click the variable key, the second option for function, and then we will select the graph y1, which is cos x. Now let's suppose we want to transform in the x direction. Well, in this case, we'd have to open up a bracket and then key in x, and then say we could, for example, add on b. Let's close bracket. Now before we draw this graph, let's deselect graph y2. Drawing the graph, we press the tools key and the fourth option for modify. We can increase or decrease b. Now let's change the step for b to be pi over 2. So now we see clearly the effect of changing b in the x direction. In this case, we'd have a translation by vector -b, 0. Let's go back. What we could do instead is say, for example, multiply the x by b. What would the effect be in this case? Let's draw this graph. Let's click the tools key, the fourth option for modify. Let's change the step to be 1. If we change b to equal 1, for example, you can see clearly what's happening when we increase or decrease b. We are multiplying x by b, which means in terms of our transformation, we have a stretch scale factor 1 over b in the x direction. So we've explored how to visualize transformations on our calculator.